All right. Could you please tell me your name for my documentation?
Yes, nurse, definitely. My name is Jacob, and I'm
Oh.
35 years old.
Oh, Jacob, nice
Yeah.
to meet you. Tell
Yes.
me, how can I help you?
Oh, well, nurse, yes. This is some sort of a hospital, right?
No, this is a community health center, but
Uh,
definitely we can help you for any
all
problem.
right, more or less the
Yes.
same. I guess I have no idea regarding that. So I just thought that a couple of nurses are walking around, so doctors will also be there, so just came over here.
Okay.
Nurse, I'm having this small issue. It's like, I'm having a condition called this varicose vein.
That is quite normal for all people.
Yes, it is, but it seems like one of my friends just told me like it seems to be fatal because my veins are totally dilated.
Okay.
It's on my left leg, the lower portion of my leg.
I do understand.
And that's not the original issue. For past 1 week, I was having this irresistible sensation to scratch. It was itching so badly. So I just started scratching my leg whenever the need arised, and it seems like now it's bruised altogether and it's bleeding. Nurse, I'm having a feeling whenever I see blood, it seems like I'm just going all sort of woozy. I hope you can understand, right?
I do understand what you're explaining to
Okay.
me, but for my better confirmation, could you please show the particular part to me?
Yes, I would definitely show you my leg, but nurse, I want to ask you one thing. Please be gentle. Don't press it hard because it's totally causing me so pain. Actually, I was limping on my way to this community health center.
Jacob, you don't have to worry. I assure you that I'll not cause any pain to your leg.
Thank you so much,
Okay, this
nurse.
is just to confirm how bad it is.
All right.
Alright?
So can I just put up my leg on this stool over here?
Yes, you can put over this table. I can just have an observation and I'll let you know what it is going on. Thank you so much, Jacob, for allowing me.
You're welcome, nurse.
As you said, I can see some sort of swelling on your leg, and it's really because of the varicose vein. But as you told me, you have itching and there is a small amount of bleeding. And,
Yes, exactly.
it is not because of the like varicose vein. The condition is known as venous stasis dermatitis. Okay, don't worry. By hearing the word itself, I can explain that for you. Shall I?
Yes, I would really love to get an explanation from you because
Of course.
all these all these days and weeks and months, and I was just thinking like it must be some sort of a varicose vein, which is totally treatable with some shot or like medications and all. But please, nurse, don't tell it's something complicated.
Oh no, Jacob, it's not a complicated thing. I'll definitely explain that for you.
I'd
Okay.
really love
so it is nothing but already you have a varicose vein, right? So once you have this varicose vein problem, your vessels are little bit damaged. Okay, so what happens through this damaged blood vessel, the blood will ooze out to the skin. Okay, so that oozing is causing some sort of irritation to your skin, and that's the reason you are feeling this itchiness. Are you getting my points?
Well, yes, I'm understanding you, nurse. So it
Okay.
seems like, is it only affecting my leg or is it affecting any other parts of my body?
No, exactly not. Okay, this is just a skin irritation, and what we have to do is we have to prevent the varicose vein first so that this problem will get sorted.
Oh, I
Okay,
see.
so if you agree, I can give you some suggestions how to control the varicose vein, and through that how to get out of this particular problem.
Well, nurse, anything would work. But, I'm looking for some sort of a quick fix.
Yes, definitely.
It's like, I'm really sorry, I didn't tell you. I'm working as a waiter in a
Oh.
nearby restaurant,
I see.
a common place. If
Okay.
you have visited there, you would have seen me. But, 24/7, I'm on wheels. So my job is very demanding.
I do understand.
And yes, and apart from that, I need a quick fix right now because I'm the only person who's earning in my family.
Yes, I strongly understand your feelings, Jacob. But don't worry, we need to take some rest initially, okay, and try to do all these things that I'm going to suggest you. Okay, definitely you will be out of this problem. Okay.
All right, nurse. Thank you so much. But is that some sort of a tedious task or something that you
Oh
want to tell
no,
me?
not a simple suggestion that you can daily do it. Okay, so shall I proceed with that?
Yes, nurse. Please, I'm
Okay,
waiting
the
to
first
hear.
thing that I would like to tell you is, okay, so you have this varicose vein issue, you have to prevent that. For that, what you have to do, you have to just avoid like starting for a long time, and you can sit for some time in between. Whenever you sit, just elevate your leg. And the second point, whenever you wear a clothing, that should be loose and should not be tight. Okay, so in that way you can prevent the varicose vein and your veins will be back to normal stage. Are you getting?
Oh, well, yes, exactly, I'm getting. And I had one doubt regarding my bleeding.
Yes, of course, you
which
can
is-
ask me.
Yes. When it bleeds exactly, what should I do? Should I just wrap up something?
Yes, that's a very good question. I was coming to that.
Right.
Okay, so what you can use, before that, let me ask you one thing. Have you ever tried any medicated creams or emollients to the particular part?
Oh, well, yes, exactly.
Okay.
I have no idea about creams or ointments or this antiseptic lotions or solutions or anything, but I've heard about a few of them, and also I have seen in the advertisements in the newspapers and in the TV and all.
Okay.
But Vaseline, is it a good option? I have no idea regarding that, but yes, whenever I felt itchy or my skin was flaky, I used to use Vaseline. So, do you
Okay.
think that it's having some sort of a soothing or healing effect?
Vaseline is a good moisturizer that you can apply to the dry skin. So here you have already, you told me that you have itching, and along with that this varicose vein is there. So what you have to do is have to apply some medicated ointments or medicated emollients, like instead of this Vaseline. Okay, so don't worry, you will get it in pharmacy. Okay, that is out of your this can be controlled by using such sort of medicated creams.
Nurse, thank you so much for explaining. It was really helpful. But nurse, I want to ask you something. Is there anything related to my diet or my lifestyle? Or because I have heard and I have read in articles and I've also Googled at times, you know?
Yes, I do understand. You have to control your diet. You have to avoid all the fried items and the junk food, because sometimes when you take all these things, that definitely affect your heart. Okay, so when your heart is not okay, again the blood completely it will get worse. Okay, so to avoid that, you can just have a control on your food. Okay, just try to include more veggies, more fruits, and you can drink plenty of water.
Alright.
Okay, so along with this, what I would suggest you to do is, sometimes when you scratch, there is chance of getting infection. So I strongly suggest you not to scratch the particular part.
I would definitely try not to do that.
Yes, and always cut short your nails, and whenever you feel scratchy feeling, okay, don't scratch it, just control yourself. Apply the emollient so that you will get relief.
Alright.
Okay,
Thank you.
so if you agree, I can just pass this information to my physician, and definitely he will make a sitting with you and he will explain you the further treatment, medication, all those things with you. Is it okay?
Yes, yes, definitely. I would love to
Okay.
see the physician that you're having over here. So, he's the doctor of this place, isn't he?
Yes, of course.
So, I would like to have a word with him.
All right,
And,
I'll make an appointment. Okay.
is it possible to see him today?
Yes, of course. If you wait for some more time, definitely you can have an
All
appointment.
right, nurse. Then I would like to make the most of this particular visit here. So I would
Okay.
like to see the doctor. So that I
Oh,
can...
not an issue,
Yes.
Jacob. I will help you, and I hope I have cleared all the doubts. And do you have anything to clarify?
No, nurse, I don't have anything to clarify because you have provided way more information that actually I required. You were really nice to me. But nurse, I would
Okay.
like to ask you one little favor.
Please.
Just for my personal use or reference, do you have some sort of a leaflet or a pamphlet, something so that I can refer on in future if needed?
Yes, of course. I just forgot to tell you that. Okay, not an issue. I can provide you a leaflet in that complete diet of a patient with varicose vein, along with the exercise that you have to do. Okay, all the things are well explained. Okay, so if you can just go through that, you will get a clear idea.
Thank you so much, nurse. You have no idea how much you helped me out.
Oh, thank you so much, Jacob, for your precious time.
Alright guys, so this was a plain conversation between a patient and a healthcare professional, isn't it?
Yes.
I didn't want this to be as a role play. Why? Because when we are doing a role play or something, we have a fear in our mind, right?
Yes, of
Regarding an
course.
examination and our OET speaking sub test and everything. What I wanted to portray over here is like you can be very free when you're engaging in a conversation with a healthcare professional or when the interlocutor is asking you on behalf of a patient, carer, a relative or a bystander. So I just wanted you to bring or I wanted you to understand that it is a normal setting,
Yes.
isn't it? You can just be yourself, you can talk to the patient or vice versa. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this particular short video, which is a role play but not exactly a role play in its originality. Alright, fine guys, this is Jacob John once again and
This is Ashwini Vijay.
from Teju's Academy.